Bitcoin, we are finding some sort of continuation. Are we going higher or are we going lower? Will we hit 33,191.74? Are we gonna go to a bearish target of 28,000, guys? Let's find out. Stay till the end and let's see if this price targets are gonna be hit. What's up, guys? How you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a fantastic, blessed day. So guys, today I just want to show you the Bitcoin price, guys. We have been in a roller coaster ride in this past few months, guys, and we don't know what's going to happen for Bitcoin for the short term or the long term, but let's look at the daily and let's go with the days until we break our previous high or previous key level of 42,000 for us to continue going bullish. But nonetheless, let's go into the charts now and let's look at the daily and let's look at what we can do now and how we can get some gains in the short term for now until we turn bullish on Bitcoin. So let's go straight into the charts and I'll see you there. So guys, we can see the Bitcoin price here on the 4-hourly chart. We can see we formed sort of descending channel here, guys, and we capitalized on this trade here. So big ups to you if you followed me on Twitter, guys. I've been posting these trades here. We've got a 6% trade here. You know, if you're using leverage, well then whatever leverage it is, that's the percentage you times it by. Here we can see some consolidation for the Bitcoin price, guys. We possibly could see something like this, and then follow through to the downside where we're testing our previous low here around the 30k and possibly get a bounce up towards our other resistance here where we could possibly see something like this. Both scenarios could play out, guys, or we could possibly see something like this. Let me just show you here. Could possibly see something like this where we get in a bounce here around this key level here. This key level is around the 31k, guys. 31, let's bring it down a bit. Let's just bring it down here around the 31k, 30k, let's say 30k, guys, on the 30k mark, guys. This is our key level for us to hold, and if we hold this, we can see we are holding, so this is preparing us for another move, guys. So let's be patient and let's see what else Bitcoin has in store. But for the immediate short trade here, we can see something, maybe we could possibly see some continuation here, then a possible bounce here, testing the resistance which becomes support, and then we come here and we could possibly get a fake out here and we could possibly come back down like us and wiping out everyone on the bullish trades. I'm gonna wait because we can see we've seen a lot of fake outs, guys, with Bitcoin. I've studied it, you studied it, and if we bring our line down here like this, our support line, we can see the fake outs here, guys. So that's why I'm bringing it a bit down, because we can see some support here we're getting here. So I'm just going to bring it a little bit down here, and now we can see a clear chart pattern if we were to get our bounce here. And we remember, if we were to go bullish here, guys, we have to get a bounce prior to this resistance here and confirm it, guys. So if let's look at the bullish, let's look at the bearish outcome first, guys. If we were to break down, let's look at the price target for our our bearish breakdown, guys. Let's just take conservative break, as conservative as can be. We're possibly going to look at something like this. We have to break this key level here, guys. Remember, this is a channel forming, guys. We're not going to take our trade in right here, but this is a confirmation. Rule 1, well, not rule 1, break 1, and then break 2. Break 2 should be something like this, maybe like this. Confirm this one, this support here, and then we could possibly see something like this where we could possibly see a 8% trade bringing us back to 28k. In the realms of possibilities, I'm not saying it's not likely, but it is possible. I'm not saying that's a guaranteed option for us right now, but this is a viable continuation pattern. It means it's coiling up for bigger trade or next pattern. So let's look at the bullish outcome, guys. Bullish outcome could possibly see something like this. Also continuation, where we break our key level here inside of the channel, and we can get a bounce here like this. If we break through here and we get a confirmation of this resistance, then we could possibly go bullish, guys, around here. Let me just do it again for you so you get a clear picture. Something like this, and then we'll take our trade around here, guys, around the, let's see, around the 34k mark. Reason being is because this was also the previous resistance. Yeah, let me do another color for you so you guys know. Let me do it in blue. You can see that, guys. I don't think you can see that. Let's do it in red. Yeah, guys, so this will be the target if we were to get our bullish outcome, and this will be the target of our bearish outcome, guys. Let me just do it again for you here. So we place our entries here, guys, our entries here and our entries here. This will be the bearish outcome, and this will be the bullish outcome. But let's see what happens, guys, with Bitcoin. And we can see it's quite enough for something here. We are waiting for a pattern to form. I don't see any pattern forming now. Let's go into the hourly chart. Hourly chart, as you can see, we are forming a continuation pattern, consolidation phase. We are coiling up for something bigger here. Direction wise, technically we are bearish, guys. Let's go to the daily time frame. We are bearish, guys, for the short term. Only reason why I'm saying we're bearish is because we haven't broke our 41k mark for us to continue going into our bullish momentum. If we were to break our 29k and confirm and just go parabolic to the downside, everyone is talking about we going back to 16k and stuff like that, guys. Well, I don't want to say it's not possible, but it's likely. But we can see we've been holding this range, the Elon Musk buy zone, very strongly, and in my opinion, we could possibly see a bounce to the upside, where we could possibly see 64k by the end of the year, or maybe 80k. My price target was 75k for the end of the year. Let's see what happens, guys, because my analysis is October. If we do not turn bullish by October, then we possibly are in a bear market for the next cycle, and we're going to have to wait and see what Bitcoin holds for us. But we do have a possibility of hope here, where we can see where institutions are getting into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and this could be bullish news for us, guys, for the long term. But let's do a price target and see if everyone is right about us going to 16,000. Let's see. Let's do this one. My most bearish outcome would be 20,000, guys. That's my most bearish target. Could be wrong, could be right. We have to. I'm not here to give you predictions on my analysis in terms of me being just guessing. I want to look at the charts, and I want to look at the charts and see what the charts are telling me for the immediate short term and the long term. So nonetheless, that is Bitcoin's price, guys, and we have to be patient. We have to take volatile times. We do make money here and there, but not as much as a bull market, but we are making our gains, and not as much as we'd like to, but we are making gains nonetheless, and that's the most important thing. We are taking losses, full transparency, and for me personally, I don't want to give any major price predictions of my opinion. I just want to look at the charts, and I want to look at the technicals and the fundamentals, and let the charts tell me, and let Bitcoin tell me what it wants to do, and look at the fundamentals and look at that, and let's look at the charts and let's analyze from the charts and see on a daily basis where Bitcoin's next price target is. And that's my opinion, and I'm sticking to that opinion, and it's been treating me right for some time. So my opinion is, I don't want to be guessing. I want to look at the charts, and I want to analyze, and I want to take trades based on the charts, guys. So let's look at the Ether chart. So for the Ether chart, guys, we can see we formed some sort of ascending channel here. We broke out, we can see a fake out to the upside, continuation, and we failed to break back up, which then confirmed that the market was going down and this was a trap to get everyone out, all the bullish hands. And we formed a resistance. Let's go into the hourly chart so you get a better clear picture of what I was seeing. So here, guys, I drew my trend line here, and I drew another support box here, support trend line, and I did my analysis of this measurement price target, which was this here, and you can see target has been hit. And to be honest, guys, this wasn't an easy road. If you follow me at Visionary Markets on Twitter, guys, you would see it's not an easy road to get to take profit right now, guys. TP is not an easy road anymore because of the volatility and the fake outs, but we got take profit hit here. It took around about 5-6 days for take profit to hit, guys. So if you were holding the emotional game, and the emotional game of holding, guys, because you look at minuses and pluses every time, and all these fake outs, which messes your mind up. But if you stick to your analysis and you have your risk management, most important thing in a trade, guys, is having your risk management in place so that your account can withstand all that emotions, guys. So once your account can withstand and you have your risk management in place, then you can hold all these fake outs and trust your analysis. That's all I'm saying is, guys, trust your analysis, have your risk management in place, and you will be rewarded, guys. So if you follow me on Visionary Markets, guys, you'll see these updates on Bitcoin, Ether, and any updates that I'm feeling, guys. So just make sure you follow me, guys. This trade here, if you did follow me, big ups to you guys. You took that trade, you managed to get a 13%, guys. 13%, not bad at all, guys. I'm happy with that trade. So big ups to you if you took that one. So what's happening now for Bitcoin, and for Ether. Ether now, we see we form sort of bearish channel here. So the bearish channel is forming, and now we have also a consolidation phase happening right here. So this consolidation phase here is also preparing us for a bigger move to the downside or to the upside. We shall see, yet to wait and see. I don't have any patterns yet forming. I don't see any clear patterns. Let's go on the hourly chart. Technically, we are supposed to go bearish and get our price target of around 1726.75, 1726.52. So that is our bearish technically, but because we faked out, we didn't fake out, we closed here, we came back down, and if we get a bounce here and confirm this support here, then we can go bearish here. So if we were to take this price target here, if technically that is a bearish target of this channel, it should be around 1744. So how many percent is that? Let's take a look. It's around 6%. With leverage, times that by whatever percent, 6%, and that's your trade, guys. But remember, we have to break here, and confirm the breakout, so you're gonna take your entry around here, right here. That's your entry, and obviously my hard stop loss will be just in this box here, guys. So that's my analysis. That's my bearish target, which technically this is supposed to be looking like a bearish target. But if we were to break to the upside, guys, let's look at that. We possibly could see something going back up like this, and I would take my trade here, right here. My entry would be here, just with this red. So my entry would be here, and my target would be around 228.199. How many percent is that? That's around 5%, guys. 5%. So that is the two price targets for the short term, but on a daily we still bearish, guys. Unfortunately, we are still bearish, and we haven't given me any signal of us going bullish anytime soon, guys, unfortunately. But if this could be a W pattern forming, could be possible. This is just a guessing game. I'm just guessing on this one. It's probable but not likely. So if this were to play out as a W pattern, we could possibly see something like this. Come down, hitting our bearish target, bouncing back here, and that will be a big trade if this W pattern were to play out on the daily time frame. Let's go on to the 4-hourly. If this W pattern were to play out, guys, that would be a legendary trade of maybe like 20% or more, guys. Yeah, look, almost 30% legendary trade if the W pattern were to form out, but it's just speculation now and not confirmed yet. So that's just speculation if this were to confirm a closure, and we could possibly go back up, guys. So nonetheless, guys, that is the price target for Ether and Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, guys, we have to be patient and let's wait. We do see continuation and consolidation patterns forming, so that generally is telling us that there is a bigger trade playing out and it's calling up for our next trade setup. So let's wait and see, but maybe we'll give it a day, or let's just keep our eyes on the charts very closely. But follow me on Twitter, guys, at Visionary Markets. Make sure you follow me so you can get real-time updates. I'm posting my updates there on Twitter, guys, because it's more quicker and more instant than YouTube, guys. So make some noise for this Twitter page, guys. Make sure you follow me there. I'll leave the links in the description below, guys. And don't forget, guys, like this video, guys, if you find any sort of value. Subscribe, guys, and leave any comments, any questions, any trade ideas, any setups that you find, guys. We can share everything together, guys, and I'm glad you guys enjoyed and stayed till the end, and I appreciate your support, guys. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.